Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's got a 3.6 liter V6. You need a 15/16 socket that goes on there, and you loosen that up. And most of these, the frame numbers are all 11665. And if you buy the little bit more expensive one, it comes with a new O-ring. This is what the filter looks like. It's got a seal down there, and then also comes with the new O-ring for the top here. I got some rags handy here. I'm going to take this off of there. This pulls right out of there, and then I use a little screwdriver to get this, pop this O-ring off. And normally on a new seal, I go ahead and get some oil on there. I just wipe a little oil on there so it goes in there nicely. And we put the new O-ring on there like that. Looks like we got plenty of oil on there. And make sure it sits in that groove just right. Put your new oil filter on there, pop it in there, and screw it back in. Now you're ready to drain the oil. 13mm bolt on the oil pan, and this will tell you here 5W20 oil. That's it.